I'm so melancholy. Yes, because yesterday I was talking with one man and he told me that first of all he asked me that where are you from? I told him that I'm from Bihar. He told me, are you really from Bihar? And he started making fun of me that why are you learning English? You should not learn English. He started talking in a very awkward manner, and that gave me a lot of, you know, like agony. I was actually in agony. I became despair because of his words. I want to ask one question from you all, that if I am Bihari, then why I can't speak English? If I belong from village area, why I can't speak in English language? If I belong from very poor family, why I cannot achieve my aim? What is the problem in this? Why society and why folk are thinking awful about it? I won't answer because, and I just want to tell you as well, it is not like happening with me. There are so many boys, there are so many girls who are facing this problem. They want to do something wonderful, they want to do something best, but society people are becoming barrier, hurdle in their like a dream. They are just trying to pull their leg, they are making fun so that they cannot achieve their aim goal. And it is even happening with you as well. It has happened today with me. But I want to tell you guys, I did not take it negative. I did not take it negative, and I have, like, take, I have taken one commitment from inside that it's okay. I am Bihari, but I will, do something wonderful so that I can become renowned. And I will do it, and no one can demotivate me. And if you are facing such kind of problem in your life, like right now you are learning English, so you, if like you are not trying to let some other know that you are learning English, being in a village area, being from poor family, because you know very well that if people know about you, if people know about your work, so they will start making fun on you even and on your work. If, like, take example of me. When my neighbor, they known that I am learning English, they started making fun of me that she is going to become fluent in English. Never ever, nothing will gonna happen. Like, see. So, like, if at that time, if I took their word as a negative way, and if I stopped doing hard work that I was doing to make myself wonderful in English, to polish my English, did I? No. I would have on that level. So just like this, like, people will come, such type of circumstances will come, and you will have to face that. You will have to neglect that. You will have to, like, so many situation will come in that, like, like, there will be test of your mind, your life, your capability, your knowledge. So there you have to be calm, just relax and think that is it good for me? Yeah, this person has told me this, should I give them the answer in this way? Like, there is not only one way to say this, there is not only one way to share the answer of any question. He has told me you are from Bihari, you cannot learn English. They were making just fun of me. As like I was shocked, like, what is this, what a hell it is going. But I didn't take it negative, and I had answer of his question, but I didn't tell, because there is the some other way. I have thought some other way to share this answer. Okay. So if you are facing such type of problem, like being in a village area, how can I learn English? People are pulling my leg, this, that, don't worry, guys. I'm telling you, don't worry. Because you know that who you are. You know that what kind of work you are doing. You know that this will give you benefit or not. You know that where you should do hard work, where you should not do hard work, where you should speak, where you should not speak. This all thing like this all thing have control on your hand. You have the remote. So don't ride the car in a bad way on the instruction of other. You have your own mind. Your mind is working in a well manner. Ask the solution whatever the problems you are getting in your life. Solution will definitely come, because I have already mentioned that whatever problems you are getting in your life, solution is very simple, and it will come from your mind. If problem is coming from the mind, a solution will become. Nowadays what is happening, I am unable to focus on each and everything. See, like making video and doing study, doing chores work, it is becoming quite difficult for me. But I'm managing, because somewhere, like when do I say that no, I should left the work? Like whenever I get such type of situation, I get such type of sometime, thought that I should left this work. I can't handle it. It is not like bed of roses for me. So handling getting up early or doing a study, helping in chores, and even like doing a study, managing a channel, it is really difficult for me. But I say that no, Rupa, see, you have to become different than other. You have to not be like other. You have to make yourself wonderful. You have to become something unique. So you will have to face the challenges. You will have to deal with the challenges. So I'm ready. So when you will ready, guys, I am telling you that being in a village area from this state, after having such kind of circumstances, if I can do, you can also do. Just believe in yourself. Like, I want to ask you one question. There is one question in my mind. If I say you cannot become fluent in English, will you accept it? Yes, you will accept it, because you believe too much on the other word as compared to you. Means you have no belief on yourself. Why? Why have you not believe in yourself? What is the reason? If I say that she cannot swim, she cannot become good artist, she cannot become good speaker in English, they will gonna believe. Why? Where is your belief on yourself? Until or unless you will have no belief, you will never become successful in anything. I can say with guarantee. I can say with guarantee and 101%. So first of all, believe in yourself. This is really important. Until or unless you will have no belief, you will never gonna successful, because life will push you in such kind of challenges where you need self belief. And those who are getting success, they had some very strong belief in their self. They had made their mindset like that, so that they could handle themselves in such kind of situation. Because I am facing such kind of situation, so I am very well aware that if you are doing something, if you are becoming success, if you are like getting something, life will push through. Life will gonna push you through such kind of situation where your mind will, you will have totally confused that is it, like the work that you are doing, this is good for you. Sometimes you will feel no, this is not good for me, I'm wasting my time. Sometimes it happen with you, isn't it? So like their self belief and a strong mindset will gonna help you to overcome out from that problem. And if you are getting such type of problem, don't worry, just believe in yourself. Don't listen the other. You have to, those one who is demotivating you, those who are creating barrier for you, don't take that as a barrier. That person demotivated me, he tried to demotivate me, he tried to distract from my path, but I have taken oath that I will teach them one a good lesson. And I will definitely, because I have taken this oath. And like when I commit to myself now, I will do it. Nothing, no one can stop me. So just like you have to make yourself like that, you have to make yourself cinder. आपको अपने को भस्म अंगार बनाना है, ताकि जो भी आए इसे आपको इतना जलाना है, मतलब कि जो आपको जलाने आ रहा है, आप उसको इतना जला दो, अपने कार्य से, अपनी क्रिएटिविटी से इतना जला दो कि वो आपसे पूछे कि हाउ डिड यू डू इट. कैन यू डू इट guys? Yes, you can do it. Now, from now onwards, stop thinking awful and make your mindset wonderful, positive, and think positive. Take each and everything in a positive way and work hard. You will definitely gonna success. Thank you so much for watching.